Hello, this is the edit menu we will be looking at. So in the edit menu, we have undo, which undoes the last thing you did. It's also right here. Redo, which will bring back whatever you have lost from the undo button. Paste, cut, copy, and paste. And you cut things by selecting them and then choosing cut. Copy means that you're going to get something exactly the same, another word exactly the same. Paste is in here, and that will glue it. Paste without formatting. Now, this is if you are bringing it in from another document outside of this, like maybe you're bringing something in that's a table and a piece of a table, and it wants to bring in tables. You could go ahead and use paste without formatting. Delete would delete the item that you have selected. Select all would select the entire set of text. So if I click select all of my text is now selected. And if I go back into my edit menu, I can now cut it, which took everything out. I can then paste it. Or I could go ahead and select all again, and instead I could copy it. Doesn't look like anything happened, but now when I go to paste it, it pastes all of it. Okay, the last thing on here is find and replace. So in find and replace, and my screen is zoomed in quite a bit, so I'll zoom it out a little bit. In find and replace, you might want to find Aldi, and you might want to replace it with Piggly Wiggly. Okay, you could match the case. You can match using regular expressions and find out what that is later. You can ignore Latin diacritics. I don't know how to say that. Anyway, if there's accents and things like that. You can replace once or you can replace all. I'm going to replace once, and that will replace one of these Aldis. If I replace again, it will replace the second Aldi. And there you go. So now instead of it having Piggly Wiggly, it finds the other. Now, excuse me, I'm sorry. You can also have it find something, just find. You don't have to go ahead and go through replace, and it'll just find all of the Publixes. This is good if you have a whole bunch of lists with one particular word you're looking for, one item you're looking for. So you can use find and replace for that. So there is that. That is all of the edit menu.